All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm gonna show you a brand new skin for the iPhone 12 from the company SoapyGuard. Now, SoapyGuard is a skin manufacturer that's based out of California that makes some fantastic skins for a ton of different devices: phones, tablets, drones, gaming controllers, gaming systems, you name it, headphones, they make it. And they're really affordable, and they just came out with a brand new skin that I'm actually really pumped about. Normally I'm more of the carbon fiber or matte black or honeycomb style skins, and with this one, this is going to be the Sticker Bomb. Now the Sticker Bomb, as you can see, is a very vibrant, super loud, super bright skin, and as you can see here, it just has all these ridiculous colors and just different sticker style, as far as, like, you know, you got a butterfly here, a skull, the side pieces here, you got a monkey here, and just, you know, the old school mom heart tattoo, and just all kinds of stuff. My daughter's obsessed with this unicorn. So this skin looks awesome. And like I said, it's called the Sticker Bomb skin. Now, it's not on their website yet, but it is going to be soon. Now, as far as pricing goes, I have to imagine it's going to be anywhere from $8.99 to $9.99, but don't hold me to that. It might be a little more than that for all I know, but if they stick to their normal prices, it's going to be around that price. So let's go ahead and slap it on my iPhone 12 here. And whenever you do get the skins in the mail, you do get a couple of the normal base things that they usually send. So first things first is there is a little card here that just says, you know, to start your skin install, you know, go to this website, and then there is a 10% off coupon code if you put in SoapyGuard on the website. But I'm gonna do that in this video, so there's no need to go do that. You also get an alcohol prep pad, and then you always get the SoapyGuard microfiber cloth. So that is going to come in handy whenever you're trying to clean it and all that. So as far as getting the phone prepared for the actual install, what you're going to do is use the alcohol prep pad, and you're going to clean the phone. So with this process here, you're going to clean everything that you're going to apply the sticker to. And normally I just do back onlys, but since they did go ahead and send me the actual sides as well, I'm gonna just go crazy with it and do all of it. Now there we got the whole entire back cleaned. So now I'm gonna wipe down the whole entire back here and just get it all nice and dry. And you wanna make sure that you're getting all the little fuzz and little lint and all that off of it too. Because with these skins, sometimes if you use the actual blow dryer like you're supposed to sometimes, then you actually might get the little lint and fuzz showing through. So what I'm gonna do is peel off this back skin first. And as you can see, it's got the Apple logo cut out there. And I'm gonna apply half of it to the back here. And what that is going to allow me to do is have half of it exposed and half of it not exposed, where that way I can match up a portion of the Apple logo, can get the camera bump matched up and all that. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. And now that I have half of it installed here, so as you can see here, the camera bump is nicely installed and around the Apple logo, half of it is showing just fine. So now that I have it where I want it, now what you can do is just lift up the skin and then just kind of work it down. And you're gonna just kind of do it with your finger. I mean, you can do it with like a squeegee or something like that, but I don't think it's really necessary to use that. And as you can see there, now it is on nicely. I didn't have to use the blow dryer because on the iPhone 12, since that back only skin is very sharp on the edges, as far as there's no rounded corners or anything like that, the install is very simple on the iPhone 12. So as you can see here, now it is installed. Now I'm a huge fan of not having a camera bump skin If you've seen my channel before, you know this, but I think there is something special about this skin, being able to have the whole entire phone covered with it. So let's go ahead and now install the actual camera bump skin, and then we'll show off the whole entire back in its true beauty. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and peel this one off here. And I'm not gonna go ahead and do anything special with this one. All I'm gonna do is just kind of hold it up, match up the lenses, and let it kind of fall into place. And there it is. So I used this little spray can thing. I just matched that up so that way it just was a little bit easier to install. But as you can see now I have the actual skin on the whole entire back of the phone. And I think it looks really cool. It's such a unique look. Obviously, I'm typically a huge fan of just having those matte black rails exposed so I can have the full, like, actual true feel of the phone in my hand. But just for fun, I am gonna go ahead and install the side rails and everything like that, just because they sent them, like I said. But there is the back. It looks really awesome. Now let's go ahead and get the actual sides installed. So let's go ahead and do the bottom first. All right, so I got the bottom done. So now let's go ahead and do the side here. All right, so now you can see I have the side matched up. The easiest way to do it is just to kind of get it matched up with the actual power button there, and then it just goes on pretty easy. So now let's go ahead and do the side with the actual volume up and down button. There's the side, and let's do the top, and then we're done. And then we can show off the whole entire skin here. Okay, so there we have it. There is the whole entire iPhone 12 covered in the Sticker Bomb skin. So as you can see here, the whole entire side of the phone. So you got your cutouts there for your volume up and down button, the alert slider, your speaker grill cutouts are nicely cut out and precise. They even cut out where the little screw things are next to the actual lightning port. And as you can see there, the lightning port's cut out, easy access there. And then wrapping around to the side where the power button is, it's also there as well. But I really like too is that you do have a little bit of separation between the side and the back. So you do have that black bezel kind of going around, as you can see there. So it just looks really, really good, especially with that Apple logo cut out too. So guys, there you have it. Let me know down in the comments how you like the review. One little pro tip is you can use a blow dryer if you want to, and just basically just kind of blow around it, especially on the sides here. And just, you can use the provided microfiber cloth, you can use a towel, you can use your t-shirt. Heck, you could even use your finger or fingernail if you wanted to really get these corners nice and pushed down. But honestly, I don't think it's necessary on the iPhones because, like I said, with everything being such 90-degree angles and nicely cut, it's not rounded like most premium flagship devices. So I do like how the iPhone 12 is like this. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, obviously, please sub. I'm trying to grow this channel, trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So please help me get to that. And then, yeah. And obviously ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe out there, guys, and we will see you on the next one.